So let's show you how to build a website on the Socialverse platform. So here we have a starting template on the Socialverse platform, and we're going to customize it. So we're going to go ahead and start out by changing what we call this hero section here and the background image. So maybe we don't like this image that we have set here. Now we can actually come in here and obviously upload any, find the image directory and use stock content right inside of Socialverse. Or if you obviously have your own content or create your own content, you can obviously come down and actually go about uploading all of those onto the platform. So I've gone ahead and created a couple example purposes that I'm going to go ahead and upload here. So I'm going to wait for all of this to upload, and then I'm basically going to go ahead and select through one of these. So maybe we have this option. Oh, maybe that doesn't look the best. We could come and switch out. Let's test this one. Oh, that's pretty cool. I kind of do like that. But maybe we do like this one just to test how it looks. Oh, that one's actually really well as well. So with the Socialverse platform, you can actually come in here and basically click it, and then all you have to do is click it once and click edit, and then you can basically start typing. So let's say we're building and changing this website to a cleaning business in Indianapolis. And obviously we cannot see that text. So what we're going to actually do is highlight it, and we can bold it. We can come in here and even change the font for the website and upload new fonts inside of global styling once again. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to change the color to it. And now we're going to basically use design to basically clean it up. So we're going to come in here and change, maybe that's a 72, just make it stand out a little bit more. So here is another section where on the Socialverse platform, since it's drag and drop, if you don't like this, you can obviously drag it and drop it to different sections on the website. Maybe you want to add different columns to split things up. You can obviously do that. So maybe you want 5 columns to put different things in. So I have 5 different columns here now that I can put things in. Maybe I don't necessarily want that, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. So for this, let's go ahead and change it, and let's just go ahead and say professional cleaning services in Indy. Obviously, this is where you're going to have to use your knowledge to come up with your best keywords for whatever your services or products you're trying to sell to your specific area. So for now, we have a menu. So we can actually come in here and customize all of these page links and menus. So this is a funnel, so we can actually set it up and link it to different sections on our funnel. Maybe we have a button here. Maybe we don't want this button. Maybe we want to copy this button. We can delete this button. Oh, maybe I didn't want to do that. I can click the back arrow. Or since I copied it, it comes right here. So I can drag and drop that right back onto the screen. And then I can come in here and customize it however I want. Maybe change the background colors. Maybe come in here, change it to a different green, or maybe change it to a weird off color. Maybe it's a gradient that is set. Maybe we want to change that gradient. Maybe we want to take that gradient off, and then we can physically change the colors. So maybe text style on the button. What is the button text color? Let's make it green so it stands out. All right, we've done that. Where do we want that button to link to? Obviously, come in here and change that. Now scrolling down, this background has, to mention, a gradient on it, so we could come in here and change this if we wanted to. Maybe we want to change the whole entire style of the website up. Maybe we want to make it a white theme. We could obviously come in here and do that. I personally like black, where it will make the text stand out just a little bit better. Scrolling down, you can come in here and obviously once again change this around. If you don't like this, you can move it down here. You can move it to different sections on the website. You could come in here and change this image. So maybe since we're not doing lawn care anymore, we're doing kitchen cleaning services. We could come in here and actually change kitchen cleaning services. And then obviously come in here and type and put service info here. We can come in here and change where this button links to. We're going to take it to a certain page or different funnel section, maybe get an estimate for this example. We can obviously come in here and customize this website 100% to our liking on the Socialverse platform. And I think the biggest thing is you're just going to have to get inside of whatever platform you choose, whether it is, let's say,
Socially Versed or WordPress or Webflow or Wix or Square or whatever platform it is out there, you are actually just going to have to spend some time and learn how to actually use the platform, because that's the number one reason most businesses fail when building a website for themselves, or agencies building websites for clients, is they just truly don't know how to work and operate the software the way they should. So that's the biggest thing on what I want you guys to take out of this video is, if you plan to do something yourself or want to learn it, make sure you invest the time. Don't just spend an hour or two. You're going to have to spend weeks and weeks to actually truly learn and become, because how do you want to build a website? And you're going to have to know how to design and what converts and what is the correct keywords to put here, etc. So there's going to have to be back-end work that you're going to have to do when you're learning to build any profile or website or anything online. But once again, you can keep changing everything out here. So this image actually come in here and has a shadow on it. So with the Socially Versed platform, you can come in here and adjust that. You can change it. You can take rid of it. Once again, you can maybe change this to 1 columns if you want it all in one. You can add 2. You can go back. Maybe we didn't like those changes that we made. Come in here and edit all of these text. Edit these button colors if we wanted to. Now we have a gallery. We can come in here and remove all these images and add our own images to where we can customize it how we want. So another cool thing, so as you can see, the main colors on this website are green. So if we come inside of the color palette, we can actually come and change this main color. Maybe we want to make it more of a blue. We can actually do that, and boom, it changes all of those buttons and the main website colors to blue. So that's a cool way if you don't want to use the kind of like the main theme colors that you picked from the template, or maybe you want to change your branding entirely. You can actually do that from the global styling panel right here by going to the pencil icon, or what we also call as the paintbrush icon, and then you go to color palette, and you can update your color palette right here. And what your color palette is, anytime you go into an edit, a widget, or text, you'll be able to pull up your main color palette right here. So once again, continuing with this, we can obviously come in here and edit all these photos, but just trying to be quick here. Maybe we don't like this background here. We want to kind of switch that up. So let's go maybe select one that we've uploaded. Maybe we want to change some of this text. We want to maybe adjust the heights on this. Oh, this button actually has a shadow that's still set as green. So we actually need to come in here and customize that and just change that real quick. We need to maybe come in here and add our email for where this form is going to get sent. Maybe we want to add an additional thank you message. Maybe we want to come in here and edit the fields. We can obviously do that right here and drag different fields to set up different questions for what we want people to ask. Maybe we want to change the footer here, change all the emails, change the phone number, change this button, whatever you want to do inside of the Socially Versed platform you can do. And like I said, the biggest thing is just truly getting in and learning and playing around. Maybe come in here and add new blocks, because inside of Socially Versed, you have 200 different themes that you can start with. And then on top of that, over 100 different pre-built blocks and basically pre-built templates that you can import into your website just with a click of a button. So you can do that. Now you can come in here and customize this however you would like and change all of this based on what you need it to look like for your website. Maybe you don't like it, you can delete it. But once again, if you want to come in here and add new pages, you can obviously add new pages. If you want to delete pages, you can do that. Whatever you want to do and however you want to build a website, you can basically do it here inside of Socially Versed, as well as access the code for every specific page. So if you want to add different code to every specific website, you can actually come in here and do that and custom code or add custom code to every single website, every single page, however you want. So you basically have full control when you're building a website, and this goes basically with a lot of different platforms out there. But the biggest thing to take away is it's just going to take time to learn. So if you're trying to build a website for yourself, or you want to build a website for clients or businesses, or to sell websites to others, what you're going to have to do is find a platform like Socially Versed, join it, sign up for free most likely, and just begin. Start designing, start learning how to build a website, and then use that as a starting foundation. From there, that'll tell you whether you can do it, whether it will look good, professional, whether it'll be optimized, or whether you just want to hire it out. So that's your starting point. But this was just kind of a quick 10-minute video on how to kind of get started, an example with building a website with a drag and drop website building platform like Socially Burst. If you have any other questions or want to learn more on how to build a website, just let us know.